morning. Today we've got this 2012 Toyota Yaris. It's got no central locking and the boot does not open.
Fixing the central locking on the car. If there's a man for the job, we know Graham can do it.
First of all, I'm going to get in here and get access to this boot. As you can see, looks like a dog's living in here. I'll go in here. In there. Leave that. Now we're going to check the switch works. So the switch is working into the boot. There's a body control module. When I removed this wiring block, I found a broken earth wire which leads up to the body control module, which you can see here where I've cleaned it off. Clipped in there, in there. So, fingers crossed. And this was the main culprit that wouldn't open.
So what we're working on now, what we're doing?
Well, just clearing the fault codes out and noticed that the ABS system had a fault in that would not clear.
What you see, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon and leave a comment. More to come. Follow Frost.